Hey, how you guys doing? Thank you for hitting me up because you obviously needed me to help you do your EIN number. So this is going to be a quick way of you doing it. You can do this multiple ways, such as if you have an LLC, to just be a couple different things. If you are just starting out and you don't have your LLC yet, I'm going to show you how to do it without your LLC. So if you guys are not familiar with my podcast, please make sure you go to Dash Resource on YouTube. My book for trading stocks is free on Amazon. So this ain't a pitch for that. It's here for y'all to learn this, right? So the link for this website is in my description of this video. The reason why that's important is because if you just Google EIN number, you may go to a second party website that will charge you just for filing this. So this is where you literally doing it for free, right? I'm gonna show you the free 99. You feel me? So once you click that link, you're gonna come to a page that looks just like this. It says apply for employee identification number. Make sure you see IRS up there, and your website should say irs.gov, right? So we're going to scroll down here, and you're going to hit on apply online. Now, boom, right? So far, you all can do this, right? The only thing I'll say is it has to be during business hours, and I don't know when their business hours is. So you have to make sure that you're doing this between, I think, 7 in the morning to 7 at night, just to be on the safe side, right? So you're going to click begin, right? So let's say you don't have your LLC. So if you do have your LLC, you click this. But if you don't, for everybody else in the world who don't have an LLC yet, that means even if you say you got an LLC and you don't, that you click this, sole proprietorship, right? Excuse me, you go to continue. Okay, you're going to put in sole proprietorship again, right? Continue. So far, this is not hard, right? We've already done this. A sole proprietor is a business owned by one individual. That is you. Continue. So, all right, so let's say starting a new business. Don't worry, we can always backdate it. So you can put in your real name here. Right, and you're going to put in your social security number. All right, I'm a sole proprietor. Continue. Please let me go through next. Daggone it. Well, you got to put in your real social security number there. So give me 1 second. How can I do this? So let's start over. Apply for EIN number. There got to be a way I can show y'all without having to do that. Begin application. Sole proprietor. Continue. Sole proprietor. Continue. Continue. Start a new business. I'm going to find a way. All right. You're just going to put in your actual social security number there. Click I am a sole proprietor. Click continue. Right. So now you're going to be to this screen here. You're just going to put in your information. I'm going to do that. Just put in your street. You're going to put in your address completely. So you'll put in wherever you're from. You're going to put that in there. You put your zip code in there. They want your phone number. Boom, you got all that. And they said, do you have a different address, different from the one above? You hit no. You go hit continue. Then they're going to show you this. So they're going to show you your real name, which is my real name, guys, right? Then you're going to say DBA, right? So DBA is doing business as. Right here is where you can put in whatever your LLC is going to be. So let's say Dash Resource LLC. Or just put in whatever you're going to be doing business as. Such as, let's say you had a fish place. You could say, hey, this is Dash Fish, or whatever you want to put in there, right? Then you can put in the start date. Now, mind you, you can backdate this because a lot of times if you, for instance, let's say you were selling lemonade as a child, right? Your business started the moment that you started selling lemonade, right? But until you made it an official business, so you can put that date. So you can say back when you was 7 years old on your birthday, right? You can put that date in there, back in 2000, right? Then hit continue. Now this is where you're going to put in. Most of these are, it's always going to be no. These right here are automatic things that if you put yes on any of these, they will automatically flag you, because you got to go through different things in order to like apply for certain EIN numbers. So for all of us, it'll be no, 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 no. Continue. Now this is where you this is going to be different from depending on whatever job that you have. So let's say you are doing DoorDash, right? You can do food service, which is mobile food service. If you're doing healthcare things, you can do healthcare. If you are doing if you are, you know, doing anything, like you should better navigate this. Like if you got like a nonprofit, you probably hit on social assistance. If you have your own transportation business, you hit that. But most people are going to fall in the realm of, we have here retail, right? So which is internet sales. A lot of things can be put into internet sales, such as you sell anything online, right? That is the internet sales, right? So let's go to continue, which is retail. So you sell goods exclusively over the internet. This includes independently selling on auction sites. This means like eBay and things of that nature. Or you have a storefront. Boom, you can collect that. You can select that. Direct sales, like such as catalogs, mail, or door to door. But most of them are going to put selling goods online, right? If you got a t-shirt business, you sell them online. Boom. Continue. Now this is where you're almost done. You either gonna hit to receive the letter by mail, where they're gonna ship you your EIN number, or you can put receive letter online. So when you click that, you're gonna click continue. Then it's gonna take you to another screen where they're gonna verify some of your information, and you verify all of these things first, and then you go to the bottom and you can click submit. And once you click submit, it's going to take you to another screen where you can literally screenshot your actual EIN number. And then now you're done. Now you got your EIN number and you're ready to go to the next step of applying for more grants. Please, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be going over grants at least once a week. I will be going over grants. So thank you guys for checking in. If you guys have any questions, please make sure you guys DM me immediately, and I can help you guys get started. Dash Resource, sales stocks, not dope, every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.